Divya, please keep your hands like raised and ask it. Okay, not via chat because such like queries can't be like clarified here. Because in order to tell you some customized coursework like plans, we have to first know your skill set, your time commitments, and next one. Okay, so just like that, like we can't tell. Gautam is here, right?
Yeah, Gautam is there.
Recording has started.
So he needs to do it.
Shambhavi, you can start if Gautam has started the recording.
Gautam, have you started? All right, all right.
Good morning, everyone. By the way, thanks for joining in now.
Just a minute, huh? Just give me 1 minute. Is Shine here? Okay, yes. All right. I hope I'm audible. Good morning, everyone. As already mentioned before, this is a meeting for the DS diploma guidance and PG as well. We'll start in the order of the queue. All of you are requested to raise your hands and follow pattern. We'll also be sharing a feedback form in the chat. Kindly fill it up after your doubts are solved and before you leave. Right. Anwar Raj, we can start with you. Hello? Am I audible?
Yeah, you are.
Am I audible?
Yes, Anwar. Go on.
Okay, so can I ask a doubt about degree level 2?
Yes, sure.
Sure, proceed.
Let's say the scenario is that I have two subjects left for completing the BSc degree, and in a term I can take at most 4 subjects, right? So if I want to take 2 more subjects so that like I can save my time for the BS degree when I enter that, can I also take 2 subjects of for BS level? Like I know that there are like the cost per credit requirement is different in both the levels, right?
See, you can't do that, right? You can't do that, right? So you have to take subjects from the BSc only, right? Have you seen the handbook?
Yes, I have. But like it would save me one more term.
Electives are there, right? Hold on. Electives are there, right? Have you?
Yes.
Have you so like seen them? I think you can. Hold on. You have already. You are like done with how many courses in the BSc level?
Like I have 4 credits from NPTEL courses.
Have you have you already like transferred them, or is it yet to be like credited?
Yes, I will transfer them. Yes, I have to like already transferred, and I only need 8 credits to complete BSc level.
So tell me like which are the courses you have done. So you are like done with basically SPG and deep learning AI and like SE and SE, is it? SE and
yes, the mandatory courses.
Oh,
there are 5 mandatory courses, right?
Okay, so you have done all 5 like mandatory courses, is it? Is it? And you have also done and you
4 credits.
4. So already you have 24 like credits, right?
Mhm.
And you are yet to do it like four more, right? So
Yes,
four are
four
like
more
remaining
credits
for the
at least.
BSc. So
So
for
if
four,
I have slots for
you need
more,
only like one course, right? For four, you need only one course, is it?
yeah,
Isn't
yeah,
it?
yeah, sure. But like if I don't want to redeem the NPTEL courses now, and I can like use them in the next in
No,
BS level also, right?
no. See, avoid the NPTEL course that you're talking about. We have to also like check that because NPTEL courses, like there is a separate thing for transfer BSc and the BS.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I know that.
What are the courses you've done?
Uh, Systems and computer graphics.
Hold on. Is it a or is it the table two course?
Table two.
Table two you can in the and like not BS. Okay. Table
Oh,
three can transfer to BS. Okay. So if you don't like transfer now, you won't be able to transfer it like any longer. Okay. For the
yeah,
BS,
sure. The
BS
problem
you can
is
transfer only from the BS you can only transfer from under the HSMG, which is under the table three course. Okay.
yeah, sure. But the problem is like I have to take one course from BSc level, but at most I can 4 years. So I
No,
should have
so you are like
taken.
waste of time. See,
Yeah.
hold on. What else can be done? Hold. Why did you take in such a way? How does like five courses? So in like what way? Like three
Actually,
plus
this is the
plus
like
two.
I'm telling what I have planned. Like this, I will be doing. I have not yet completed those.
Oh, you have not completed your like BSc.
Actually,
Oh,
I did not like said phrase it correctly last time.
okay,
So
okay.
I have already enrolled in the two when I
Oh,
was diploma, and I
okay.
am enter BSc level. Will
About to
take
enter BSc. Okay, so
I will be courses in the
so
next
see
like
this
bottom.
way in this like way a flow that you are like talking about, you have to take only like course when you like BSc. So like which is bad actually, isn't it? So have time, but it's basically the waste of time, isn't it? You're
Yes,
doing
yes,
one
the
when you can do
problem.
four. So what else can because you want to transfer like it's right? What else can you do?
No, actually, I want to BS courses. So I can pay extra the cost credit is different, but
That's
the mechanic I can do. So I time.
no, you can't do that, right? Because unless you complete your BS grades, you can't like reach the next level, right? Same as the
Oh,
diploma. Unless you complete all the foundational subjects, you can't enter diploma.
yeah, but actually the course content is same for both the levels, but only
I
the
so I know subjects are different, right? I so there are like level 4 even level 5 courses, right? No, I
yeah,
guess
yeah,
there are some level 5 courses. Talk to like Bharat. Okay, say that my is like if it helped, okay,
yeah,
because I don't think that like should be any like problem for any student. Just like talk to her, okay?
yeah, sure.
Send a mail to her. Ki say that I have only like one course left, so in this coursework, will I be allowed to take a course from a BS level?
Yeah,
Ask,
sure.
right? Okay,
All
Okay.
right.
fine. So,
Okay. Yeah, next we have Arpit Singh.
you can like take this one.
Yes,
Yes, Arpit, you can ask your doubt now.
I want to take courses and project in the following order. I've sent it in the like for I want to take theories, DBS, and math one, and in the next I want to take math project.
Shall I help you out? Is I
Yeah, I'll just check the box. What is over there?
sure.
Okay, so So you want to take Term 3 as BDM? Are you done with BDM theory?
Sir, I want to end in this term at diploma level, so just complete the form.
So DBMS, PDS, and MAD fine. It's kind of okay. Then you take MAD 1 project. Only MAD 1 project would be a viable option. You better take one BDM project, maybe at least it is to finish it. Otherwise, you 5 terms. See it. And then you do MAD 1 project, then BDM again this. I think I need more time, but yeah, it seems fine. It seems if you can take more 3 courses any of the term along the project, I think that would be fine. But if you also can reach the PGM any light, let's say BDM theory, that would be much better. BDS is heavy course. The and math are also, so you're going hardware here, term 1.
Sir.
So just consider the subject again. At the end of the day, it will be your decision. If you think or you have the confidence that okay, I can do it, then the roadmap seems fine.
Sir, I'll replace and consider it. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Biswajit, you have a doubt?
And
No,
sir,
so
excuse me,
just
sir.
hold on 1 minute. So basically, NPT courses, this is optional. Okay, you don't. So it's not like mandatory for create like whatever in either the BH or the BS level.
Sir, in I'm 2 projects, MAD 2 and MLP project 2.
Yeah, absolutely. Projects can be done at least 3. Not at least. You can even do 4 projects at a time. Change the you can't. But projects can be done, but again, depends on it's going to do MAD 1 and MAD 2 project. Those 2 projects can be done together. MAD 2 and MLP projects also can be done together. But again, it depends on you if you can really do it. But it's doable. It's not like, okay, it's very hard or something. Anyone can do it. So that's fine, absolutely.
Thank you, sir.
Right. Let's just move on with the next comment. Sai Satya. Tejashri Lakshmi Sai Satya.
Hello.
Hi.
Yes. Continue.
Hi. So my doubt is regarding the BDM project. So it's I couldn't actually complete it in this previous term. So if
What is your progress currently? Are you like done with the proposal or like what is the stage?
no, I'm not done with anything yet. So what I'm asking is it possible to take the theory courses along with the project right now for the
Yes,
coming?
yes, absolutely possible.
Okay. And also, like, what would you suggest for the MLP project? Like, should I do it along with the theory course MLP, or is it better that I?
See, like depends. So, like, do you have some basic, hands-on experience with
Yes.
ML? You have,
Yes,
right?
yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
So please proceed with it. So it will be either a classification or a regression
Okay.
challenge, right? Please proceed.
Okay.
Please
Okay.
proceed if you have. Okay.
Okay. And also, so what I'm thinking is, so
BDM,
the
like when did you take BDM project? When did you
this
take that?
last term in the
Last term.
meeting.
So
Yeah.
you have to like register for the project basically again. I hope
Yes.
you know.
Yes.
Else,
Yes. I'm
else,
aware.
else, it won't be auto added. But you like
Okay.
don't have to pay the fees that is 2,500 will automatically be there in your student like wallet. Okay, you just
Yes.
have to register for it. Okay,
Okay. So
mandatorily.
what I'm thinking right now is this coming term I'll take BDM that is I'll continue the BDM project and take BA. In the next term, MLP theory and project. So what do you think about that?
Actually, all are like doable in this term if you have ML skills.
I know, but the thing is, I'm
You can
actually a
absolutely.
4th-year student, so it's like a
Ah,
little okay.
perfect. No issues in that.
Okay.
Do that. No issues.
And also, So is can I ask about how the average GPA is calculated for these many number of terms?
Average GPA is, sorry,
How
couldn't
the
get it.
average GPA is calculated?
No, it's the same as basically all the colleges are like concerned.
Okay, okay,
Same,
yeah.
same, same.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
And also, I have some doubts regarding the NPTEL courses.
Hmm.
But where else can I find that? Like, I've tried
Listen,
looking up in the
what are your
handbook, but
doubts? What are your doubts?
I mean, I don't know if I can take them in diploma level and then transfer them when I
You
get
can
into
take
BS.
you can take NPTEL courses at like any level, okay, but you have to
Okay,
transfer it in either the BSc or the
okay,
BS level. Now
okay,
like depends. So like certain courses are basically approved by the IITM like Senate for I mean the credit in the BSc, and like some are for
okay,
the BS. Okay, so you can't like mix them up. BS is
okay, okay.
basically the HSMG approved courses. You can find them
Yes,
under
yes,
a table 3.
yes,
Okay,
yes.
hold on.
Okay,
Just a minute. You can find them under table like 3,
okay,
and the courses which you can transfer in the BSc level, that is the third year, they are they are available under the table 2. Okay, table 2
okay,
and table 3 like links are already there in the student handbook. Okay, I'll
okay.
paste it in the chat as well. Hold on.
Yeah, sure.
So this is for the BSc. Okay, this is for the transfer in the BSc that I'm like sending first. Okay,
Okay.
I hope you have got the thing, right?
Yes, yes.
And the second one which I'm sending is for the uh, BS level. Okay, but all are basically optional. Okay, so you may
Okay,
choose to credit because you have a wonderful IITM electives in the degree like coursework, right?
okay,
You have options to do on campus courses at like IITM, IIT Gandhinagar, IIT Roper, and all, right? So if you
okay.
have some decent like CGPA, right?
Yes,
So
yes.
you can choose what to
Okay,
do.
okay. Yeah, that's all. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right. Next we have Harshan.
Yeah, so the thing is, I just completed my first term in diploma, and I took PDSA, DBMS, and MAD one theory, I think.
Serious.
Now, PDSA, DBMS, and MAD one theory.
Okay.
Okay, now for the second term, when I was choosing, I was thinking like, what will be the advantages for me if I go with completing programming courses first and then diploma courses compared to if I mix match them up? Like, what are the advantages and disadvantages for both the things?
Sayanda, want to take up?
See, it totally depends on what kind of expertise do you have and what kind of expertise do you want to have. If you really think that, okay, I really want to complete both diplomas altogether, then only you should mix up. Otherwise, if you think, okay, I would finish one of the diplomas and I would try getting internships and let's say jobs in that field, then only you go with one diploma and just finish it, get the certificate for that particular diploma, okay, and then you just start with another one. Otherwise, mixing diplomas, it might be hard sometimes because both the diplomas got harder subjects as compared to foundational level. So that's the only drawback as well as the only advantage I can see. I mean, when I planned my subjects, I had this thing in mind that I'm gonna mix it. But now, if you ask me, I would have gone with DS subjects first. I mean, data science diploma subjects first, then programming. So that's my opinion on that. So now it's totally up to you. What kind of expertise do you want to have? All right, so I want to complete both of them. Obviously, I want to go till BS level. So I think, but I don't want to know. Like, I don't know which one should be better. Like completing like separately or together. Like, what are the advantages for that? I don't know. See, I don't see any specific advantages on this. It's totally
Okay.
like what kind of subjects you're taking and the flow that you have. For example, let's say the data science subjects, the starting
Mm-hmm.
data science subjects, if you take, those are math heavy, like MLF
Okay,
and
the
MLT. Those are math
PGM.
heavy. Once you reach
Okay, okay.
MLP, then only you
Mm-hmm.
have the sklearn library and all that. So you're going to use Colab extensively. Then you have TDS, which is again a skill
Okay.
development course. BA is also a math heavy course. So something like this. In the data science diploma courses, most of the courses are math heavy, and some courses there are which are programming heavy. But in programming, you have all programming heavy courses. PDS, which is data structure and algorithm in Python. Then you have Java, programming concepts
Mm-hmm.
in Java. Then you have two AppDev courses, AppDev 1 and AppDev 2. You have two projects as well. So that's the thing.
Okay, so I'll tell you what I'm good at.
If,
I'm already really good at like web development. I already know like Next.js, React, and
okay.
all. And
Okay.
I'm really good at Java as well. I'm already proficient
Mhm.
with Java.
Mhm.
So what do you think? Like, what would be better? And I
So,
don't know like data science at all. Nothing.
okay. So if that's your strong point, the programming side, then you can take
Mhm.
two programming courses and one DS course. Let's say you can go like that
Oh,
way, or what you can do is you can finish all the programming courses because that would be a
mhm.
cakewalk for you. The way I see it, I mean, you have knowledge in that. So in
Okay.
that
Like
case, you can just finish
let's
the
say I
programming
finish.
courses and. Mhm.
Okay, let's say I finish the program courses first. Will I be eligible to like go for internships? Like I want to have experience under my belt early on.
See, I mean, there is no one actually stopping you. I'm not 100% sure that would IITM push you for internships until unless you have two diplomas or not. For that, you need to talk to
Okay.
the operational team, support team. But you can always find internships on your own. Just you need to show them that you have the required skills. That's all.
Yeah. What do you think about taking diploma and sorry, taking on internships like early on? Like if I completed my programming diploma first, I am eligible for taking internships, right? Through the IIT import.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
So what do you think? Like, is it a good idea to go for internships while you're
See,
completing a
internships are
DS?
important. See,
Mm-hmm.
internships are important to know how the work is done in industry. If you ask me,
Okay.
I have experience in networking field for 2 years. What I studied in my BTech and what I
Mm-hmm.
and the work, the kind of work I did in Reliance, those were two
Okay.
different things, like completely different. You study the antenna theory and all that in communication papers, but you're going there and
Mm-hmm.
you're working on a different level. It has nothing to do with the bookish knowledge. So you need to
Absolutely.
understand exactly how it works, right?
And I want to
So
add here
for that,
that what
hmm
kind of internship is he interested? Are you like talking about, see, internship and like research are two like different things. So I don't see the the both are like same thing. Are you talking about like research internships, meaning say academic based internships, or are you basically talking about like technical internships? So like
Yeah,
both are different.
I'm really not interested in research internships.
So you're talking about technical internships, right? So
Yeah, yeah.
like see, so unless and until you have like completed like both the diplomas and enter the BSc level, you won't be
Mm-hmm.
considered under by the placement like cell for at basically IITM for an internship via basically IITM, right? But you can always like look for
Okay.
internships on your own, right? Obviously, because like not all like people are getting placed or uh, getting the internship like opportunity or yeah that
Okay, but I heard
yes.
like if you complete any one of the diploma, you will be eligible to apply for internship
See
through
that
IIT.
that like depends. See that like depends on the skill set, right? So there
Okay.
isn't some specific thing that you need to complete one like diploma in order to fulfill or like cater to the needs that the companies will have. Okay, that you can do even before basically getting, right. You can see that many like students are like getting a wonderful internships, be it academic or like a technical, even at the end of their foundation like
Uh-huh.
level. So
No, no.
That doesn't like,
What I
depend on.
want is, I don't want to waste like the internship for no credits, right? That's why.
No, sure.
Like if I'm taking it for internship, I want it to be included in my credits as well.
Obviously. Got it,
That's
but
so. That's
it
why I
is
want
not
to do it through
necessary.
ITM portal.
Yeah, that's fine, but it's not like necessary that you need to complete one like diploma in order to apply like somewhere on your own. Okay, that is
Yeah,
not
I know
the
that.
but
What
obviously
I want.
but obviously it
Uh,
will like strengthen your the CV, or it will help you, I mean, increase the
yep.
probability of acceptance, that's what I'm saying.
Mhm.
That is obvious. So as like Sandha has like told you, so it's like perfect. Since you have quite some expertise in the programming side, right? So you take
Yeah.
programming like courses two, and you take like one like a DS course, like so that you don't find it like monotonous. Okay, I mean, so
All
that you
right.
have that thing to study and you can do it well with this mix. Okay, so
Okay.
yeah,
Thank
so
you.
like follow this thing. Okay, fine. All the best.
Thank you.
Next.
Yeah, Subrat Tiwari.
Good morning, guys. So I am in diploma level. I've completed my first term in diploma. This will be my second term, and in the first term I took MLF, DBMS, and BDM theory. And
BBMS? What?
no, no,
BBMS, you mean?
MLF,
BBMS?
DBMS,
Huh.
and BDM theory.
Huh. Fine.
So like
Get
this
started
term.
with the BDM project for sure.
Okay, and like, should I actually my score in MLF was not good, so should I like retake, like attempt, like try to take it once again, or should I go
I don't
forward with it?
think I don't think you should like do it because yeah, I don't think because you have joined the diploma in the May term, right? May 24 term, isn't it?
Yes.
So I hope
Yes.
you are aware of the new rules of IITM, right? I mean the constraints and the checkpoints of the diploma level, that if you don't complete at least three like theory courses and one like project in the first like three terms of the diploma, for the students who have joined the diploma after or on, I mean, like starting from May 24, you will be first put to academic probation, and then you will
Okay.
be like thrown out of the program. To be very honest, so you
Okay.
get better you get started with the BDM project because it takes time. So you have to complete at least a project in your by the next term, right? Because you have already completed like one term. So take the BDM
Yes.
project, and for the theory, like what are you planning?
MLT and MAD one, but like I'm not sure about MAD one. Like, should I take something else? So I was like, anything which will go good with MLT.
You want to take MLT, right? Okay.
Yes, yes.
So, you can take like Math 2, isn't it? What is the issue with that?
MAD two or MAD one, because I've not done MAD one till
Yeah,
now.
you haven't done Math 1. So yeah, take like Math 1, right? Take Math 1, it should be fine. Okay,
Okay. Okay. Thanks.
fine.
Aditya Ajit.
Yes, so my doubt is that in this May term, I had taken MAD 1, DBMS, PDSA, and MLF, but it was too heavy. So, what would you suggest? What courses for September term, provided I take MAD 2?
So you have passed all the four subjects, right? That you have taken in May
Yes,
term. Those all are clear. Okay. So again,
yes.
now the question comes on which side are you skewed? Towards DS or towards programming? I mean the courses from
Neither,
course
but
POV
I'm inclined towards, yeah, inclined
inclined
towards
towards
DS, but expertise in neither.
DS. Okay.
DS.
See, there is no problem if you have expertise in neither fields. You have to do it. We all have to do it. So since you are preferring DS, I would suggest, since you are done with MLF, you take MLT, and you are taking
Okay.
MAD 2, right? And you are done with MAD 1 already in
Yes.
May term. So you can take MAD 1 project. So one
Yes.
project would be done. So MLT, MAD 1 project,
Okay.
and you can take BDM theory.
And Matu.
So that would be a light
All right.
theory course, BDM theory, as compared to other theory courses. Since you're done with MLF, so it would be a great continuation for MLT. And once you're done with MLT, it would be like a cakewalk for you to take MLP because that's the behind the scenes mathematics thing. I mean, all the algorithms you study there. So two theory and one project is fine. But if you want another theory course, then I would suggest you to take TDS. Because TDS is also another theory course which is comparatively lighter.
Okay. So
Okay.
you suggest MAT to BDM and MLT, right?
Ha. Yeah, yeah. And Mad One project you should take.
Okay. And
Like either
also,
you take three theory. See, you take three
yes.
theory one project, or you take two theory one project. Totally up to you now. Because I want you to finish the project because you're done with the Mad One, right? So it's better to take the project in the
Right.
subsequent term to get the bonus. I guess 105. I'm not sure
Yes.
it's 105 or 120 according to the new grading document or something.
Okay.
But yeah. So the one project would be done, so there would be no issue for you that someone would throw you out of the project or something. I'm sorry, the program or something. Okay.
Right. So
Just
wouldn't BDM and uh, yeah, sorry, wouldn't BDM and MLT be difficult together, or is it
No,
doable?
no, no, no. It is quite doable. MLT is slightly heavy, math heavy. BDM is a very light course as compared to MLT.
Okay. Okay. And
So
also, I wanted to ask about the project. I had taken the MAD one project this term, but I couldn't complete
mhm.
it. So will it be transferred to the next term, like the September term?
No. No, 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 no. It would be transferred, but the project statement would be different. Also, since your registration is done,
Yes.
you have to
Obviously.
re-register for it. You have to re-register for it. They won't ask you for any money because the 2,500 is transferred to your student wallet. So you have to register on your own without paying since it's back to back two terms for you.
Okay.
But the project statement would be changed. Last term, I guess it was influencer dashboard or something that, right? The influencer sponsor thing.
Yes.
So
Yes.
so the project statement would get changed for Mad One, and this is like this term. I guess it's some
Yes.
admin and household thing. I guess so. You have to work on the
Household. Yeah.
new project
Yeah,
statement.
also just to
So that
also like just to add here, since you had already started like working on the previous thing, right? You can also take the previous like problem statement. Okay, since this is your you know immediate term. Okay, after that you can also like work on the previous
from
statement. Okay.
can it be done?
Yes, yes,
Okay.
yes, it can be done. It is not
Okay,
explicitly
okay.
said, but you can work on either of the previous or the new statement. I think the new
But it's for
statement is
Mad 2,
the
isn't it?
no, it's for Mad one. See, Mad two,
Mad
they
1.
can do yeah, Mad two like they can do
Okay,
any.
okay.
Okay, so it won't like depend on their terms. But here in the Mad one, since he had like registered in the previous term, he can either do the previous term a problem statement or the new term. Okay, right?
Because of the concurrent term. Okay.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Because of that one.
Yeah, yeah. I forgot that part. Okay, okay. Correct.
Right. Okay, fine. So,
Thank you.
Shambhavi, you wanted to add something?
No, no, no. I don't want to add anything. Just a reminder for everyone, those of you who are getting your doubts clear, before leaving, please fill out the feedback form. All right. Next in order is Nitish Rishi.
Just a minute. I just want to clear some doubts that I have in that before. Hold on.
Yeah, just a
Hold on,
minute.
Nitish. Just a
Just a
minute.
minute, Rishi.
1 minute, okay, Nitish?
Yeah, actually, I'm Nitish's mother speaking because he could not join it. And he has done 6 courses as of now, which I have put DBMS, MAD1 theory, MAD1 project,
Hold
MLF,
on, ma'am.
MLT, and
Ma'am,
TDS.
ma'am, just 1 minute.
Just a minute, ma'am.
1 minute, ma'am, okay?
Okay.
So, Shekhar, your BDM doubts, so they conduct the meetings every week. Okay, and I think you can like reply in the chat in that. But unless and until you are able to find some of the business or that is like willing to like share the data, you can't like proceed with the primary as long as the a primary parallel is like concerned. Okay, you can work on the secondary data if you like, if it's like you're not finding any such like business, but in that case the maximum you can get is the D grade even if you get 100 marks. Okay, so like that is the constraint. And Satyajit, please like raise your hand, so we will like clear it there. Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah, actually, he has completed 6 courses of diploma as of now. Okay.
What are those?
Three from the programming, three from the data science. Now he wants to take 6 courses.
Huh?
That is
Six
DA,
courses he can't take, ma'am.
six courses he cannot take. Two
He has to do
projects,
4 courses.
4 theory.
Acha, he's like left with 2 projects and 4 theory courses. Okay, so like
No,
what are those, ma'am?
he wanted PDSA, MAD theory, MAD2 project, BDM, MLP theory, MLP project.
Hold on, ma'am. I'm just taking a note. PDSA, MAT2.
Theory, MAD2 project.
MAT2
BDM,
project.
MLP theory, MLP project.
BDM, MLP theory.
MLP project.
BDM, ma'am, is it the project or the theory that is?
BDM theory only. Project he will not take.
Project he. No,
he will take next term he will take.
Okay, fine. Got it. So PDSA, so he is taking four
theory.
Four theory and 2 projects. Okay, fine. This is fine.
Yeah. But
having,
is it okay or
having known like Rishi, hold on. So having like like known Nitish, I can say he can do it because he was in like my group, na, in the Wayanad house. So I know he can like pull it down, ma'am. Don't worry.
Okay.
He is enough excellent to do it.
Yeah. Once he knows that because he knows means Python, he is very good in Python now. So
I know. I know. He was in our events and all. It's fine. It's fine. He can like pull it up.
Okay. Thank you. I'm logging out.
Yeah, sure. Next.
Shivaji.
Hello.
Patil.
Can you hear me?
Hi, you're audible.
Yeah, hi. So that I'm like working professional and actually already completed the diploma in the data science and the 2 courses for the programming. One is the PDSA and another is the LDBM. So now, and in this current term, I'm feeling a little bit busy. So I'm going to be looking for the 2 easy subjects which I can actually take it. Hello?
Couldn't hear you. Can you just repeat that again? Couldn't hear you.
Repeat that. Can you please
Your voice is very
repeat that?
feeble.
One second. Yeah, hello. So that actually already completed diploma in data science and 2 courses from the programming. One is the PDSA and the another is the DBMS. So for this term, I'm actually looking for the 2 easy subjects which I can complete.
Easy subjects and you're done with all the DS courses.
Yes.
So 2 easy subjects. One thing I can find is MAD1. You can take MAD1. It's comparatively easy if you are done with DBMS, and the DBMS is also easy as compared to TDS and SEP. MAD1 is also easy.
Okay.
So MAD1 is comparatively easy, and apart from MAD1, one more if I have to suggest. No. See, there is no easy subject there actually. Apart from that, you can take Java.
No, the
Java,
thing is that actually the thing is that this term I don't have much time, so I'm actually working professional. That's why I'm actually looking for.
Okay.
It's not that it's not about the subject only. It's about the amount of efforts to.
If you are not able to contribute They won't, proceed with like
Okay. So then only Mad one.
however, you can take two courses, one and the
Mad
Java.
one, Mad every course you have to put effort. Mad
It's not
harder. It is again
okay.
harder side.
Yeah.
Is the always
Okay.
happen.
Our LPs we can't compete with
Huh.
them.
Also.
So
So I was a I had one, but it's with because
Maybe I'll
so
read then PDS is also.
हाँ
the project
हाँ हाँ right magic can be done.
So done Madam one and Madam project.
I suggest you
हाँ
that since you're saying that there is that you don't you can't
you have the time constraint, right?
Yes,
So
it's only for us.
better not so better not push yourself too much, knowing you won't be able to that much this term. It's better
Okay.
you take Mad one theory and Mad one project.
Okay.
So, so it would be perfect. One theory would be.
Okay. And one more question. So the system for subject to the science like some in the course itself. Hello.
See, it's Linux based, it's terminal based, right? So, yes, I'm not sure. So,
see a diploma and program are parallel. So you
Yes, sir.
compare.
Yes,
No,
got that thing. But
it's
see,
not
normal
that
that
much. No, it's not
but
helpful. Helpful
norm.
data
Okay.
set. That's why it is a
Uh,
programming system.
no, I got that thing. But and the actually yes.
Yeah, yeah, got
Someone,
it. I agree. I agree.
right.
So yeah, yeah. I that
Huh.
these courses either handle it or like
Yes.
a programming to basically get
Yes. Yes.
it. But
Yes.
yes, yeah, fine. It's to both.
Yes. Yes. Then that for
Yes, it should be fine.
okay. Yeah, thank you.
Arpit, we are clarifying your doubts. Isn't it?
Sir, I
Ask
reviewed
me,
the
what all
changes.
doubts do you have? Do you know? Like what?
Sir, you change a heavy subject in the first term. I'm doing
It
the
was rest. With the last.
Sayan.
It was other
Sayan.
science. Okay.
Today.
Okay, so like science can talk. He only suggested, right?
Yes, sir, for that, I reviewed the course selection. I've in the chat box. Corresponding projects that I'm going to take.
I made it quick go right.
Mm, the following project is corresponding to the one is the course selection, second is the project.
It seems to me.
In the second sum, there is a Python and Java both, so like OPP and all that will be okay. No
See, if
conflicts.
you're giving OPP for one subject, then there won't be a problem for giving OPP for two subjects, right?
Okay, so like
There
timing
won't be a
regarding.
problem. Timing, see, two OPPs never overlap. I mean, PDSA and Java having the same OPP at the same time, that won't happen. Because they
Hold on,
also know
Sandra,
that
just
the
1 minute.
subjects might overlap, right?
Hold on, Sandra. Like, let me check this. Wait, because
Okay, just once.
hold on.
Mhm.
How many courses are you taking?
Three courses.
No, no. Tell me the OPP courses.
This Python and Java for
Python and Java.
for
So Python and Java will be okay. When you're 17, okay, so Python and Java will have on the same day in the September term, so you will have to give it a okay. 100% sure.
okay, sir. But time will be different on the same.
Obviously, slots will be different, but you have to give it on the same day. Okay,
Then
be
no issue.
100% sure about that. So you will have to give it on the same.
Okay, sir.
Yes, Shagar.
Yeah, hi. Am I audible?
Yes.
Yes, yes.
Okay. I've done 4 subjects in diploma so far. Done DBMS. I've done Mad One theory. I've done this F, and I've done the PDF.
Science will take.
Sure. Okay. I've done
Yeah.
those, and I am going to get in
Okay,
February.
just a second. Just a second. Repeat how many courses and what courses you did.
I've done 4, sir. I have done PDMS, PDF, Mat, and MLF.
Yeah, 3 courses. Okay. Then
I've completed all of them, and now I'm preparing for it actually. So I'm going to write again. So for the 2 terms, I want to take subjects which will help me with my gate preparation. So I currently plan, and plus I want to keep my workload right so that I have to revise and study also. And I'm also a college student, so I have that also college work also going on. So right now I take MLT and then take MLP.
yeah, absolutely fine. All the you take those together, so that's absolutely fine. But one thing, before taking subjects, I would suggest you to go through the GATE syllabus for 3 years. Okay? You're gonna write for the data science paper, the data science paper for GATE, right?
Yeah, yes.
Okay.
Adding to this, MLT will be fine. Right, Sarah? MLT like syllabus is like covered
Yeah,
gate.
that's
MLT syllabus
that's
is covered gate.
exactly
Okay.
yeah, that's exactly I was
Since
asking.
he has already done DBS and all, right? So
Yeah,
it's
yeah.
already an advantage for you because like warehousing basically will be in the gate 25, right? Data science if you have seen. So the only thing which a diploma student will be like lagging for gate DA is the
Deep learning, right?
topics on A, absolutely on AI and the deep learning. Okay.
Yeah, yes.
So that also you can just like brush from IIT the lectures if you can find on the YouTube or like something. Okay. And you can do at least try your best now. I think you are like in the third year, right? Abhi.
Yes.
So you can do it in the fourth year, right? So the
Right.
best will be fine. So yes, you MLT like Sanders said. So that would like more
And
syllabus, okay? Because like algebra have already done the two and MLF and all.
Right. Yes.
Should be fine. And anything?
I have also found the book, sir. I found the Deep Learning. It is by Ian Goodfellow.
Okay, perfect. Just keep that in your library as a PDF because the hard copy is kind of costly. So that book would help you in the long term.
Oh, sure, sir. Thank you very much. I will log out now.
Sure. Also, like
Hi.
submit the feedback form, okay?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, the recording is begun again. Okay, so
Okay, fine. Thank you.
Rudraj, you can
Rudransh.
ask now.
Yeah, so basically I finished my foundation level in May term. So now I'll be going to diploma and I was thinking of taking machine learning foundation and PDFA using and PDFA together as my Maths 2, Stats 2 and Python are really good. So is it a good idea to take these two courses together?
MLF and PDSA, you said, right?
Yeah.
So if you're taking two subjects, MLF and PDSA, then it's doable. It's absolutely doable. Having said that, what else do you do in your personal life that also matters? I mean, let's say you're a college student or a working professional or a full
No,
time. I
I'm
mean,
doing
you're
a
doing this
offline
full time.
BTech degree too.
Then these two would be slightly heavy for you, but it's fine. You can do it. It's not like something which you can't do. Since you're taking two subjects, it's totally fine. Since MLF is math heavy and DSA is a notorious subject. Whoever has done BTech, they know.
Yeah.
So these two are doable. So perfectly fine. You can do it.
I mean, in my college too, I'm having data structures in C++. So,
Okay. Then that paper would help you in this course. So you can definitely take it.
and like, is MLF hard or like it's doable?
MLF is not hard. The point is the subject is math heavy. It's
Math
way
heavy.
too math heavy. Everything you have to calculate. It's not like something that okay, you're seeing a snippet of code and you can just uh, find the output. It's not like
Yeah.
that. They would literally ask you to find singular values. They would literally ask you to find covariance matrix out of a let's say 3 by 2 matrix they are giving you, and they would ask you to find the least square values or something, eigenvalues and eigenvectors. So you have to calculate
So
basically.
like fully calculation matters, everything I have to calculate like by hand.
That's exactly what hard math courses are. So it's like it's just like that.
Okay. And like if I take this MLF and DBMS, that's fine. Is DBMS easier than PDSA?
Uh, See, if you're taking PDSA and MLF, I would suggest don't take any other theory courses since you have an offline degree
No, no,
going
no.
on.
I'm telling if I take DBMS instead of PDSA.
DBMS would be a lighter course as compared to PDSA, so it's totally fine. You can take that combination as well. But if you're taking that combination, I would suggest you to take medium theory because you would be done with three courses in that case. But again,
I can take BDM, MLF, and DBMS together.
DBMS. DBMS, see, BDM is a lighter course, extremely light course. BDM theory, I'm saying. And if you're
Extremely light.
taking MLF and DBMS, then those two you would be occupied with. So you can just take BDM theory, which is a lighter course as compared to any course which is available in DS or programming. So that's why. See, you either take, I mean, in my opinion, if you can manage, then you can do MLF and PDSF, these two. Or if you're taking MLF and DBMS, I would suggest you to take BDM theory as well because you would be done with three theory courses. Otherwise, the first option is absolutely.
Okay, fine. Thank you.
Also, one more follow-up question actually. Uh, in later terms, I was thinking of taking one second BA, okay, business analytics and BDM project together.
Yeah,
So
doable.
yeah, and I wanted that term very light, like I'm not sure how tough. BDM project I've heard is really tough, but BA is it tough? Or?
The BDM project is not tough. The getting the data is hard. So if
Yeah,
you're
so yeah,
planning, so this is not for only you. This is for everyone who's here for the BDM project
correct,
specifically.
correct.
So hear me out. If you're planning to do BDM project, let's say in Jan term, you start collecting data or start approaching business from now on, because convincing a business to give you data, and there are some other constraints as well. So for that, you need to convince the business owner for that, to have a video recorded interview, to ask them to give you an NOC with a company seal on it and signature on it. Several things are there, right? And alongside the data. So if you guys are planning to take BDM project next term, you better start approaching companies to get the data.
Right.
That's so it's a holdup for everyone.
Okay, so what about taking? Okay, so BA. What kind of subject is that? Is that like on lighter level or on a medium
Now,
level?
BA would be slightly harder as compared to
Oh,
BDM theory.
slightly
Oh,
harder,
okay.
but it should be fine. Like,
But
have you
it will be
It's
fine with
doable.
medium
seen of
project.
BA? Have you seen of
It's
BA?
doable. It's doable.
Okay, and just the next term. Okay, so some of my seniors were telling me that you should preferably do TDS at the end of all the diploma in data science courses. Like,
Not
is
needed,
that?
absolutely. I only did TDS in my like first term of my diploma. Absolutely wrong.
Oh, okay. I mean, they said that you should do it because like it will be most beneficial or something like that. So,
No, not at all. Do you have certain basic ML like skills or something like that?
no, only the no. Actually, no.
You do after you are done with your MLT. You can proceed with TDS. Okay,
TDS. Okay.
you
Okay.
can do that.
Fine.
No issues at all.
Also, in interns. So, how is anybody experienced here in internships in IIT Madras? Is it?
Academic internships?
Yeah.
Yes, I am. What? What
So,
happened?
how was the internships? I just wanted to know the
I did
experience.
not do internship at IITM. I did at IIT like Roorkee in the last term. So see, so the thing is, I hope you're talking about like research-based internships. Thank God I
Yes.
found like somebody
Yes.
who's interested in research.
Yes.
Yeah,
Thank God.
basically research internships.
Thank God. So the thing is, you have to approach on your own, right? You can't expect that from IITM because like they will be offering like technical internships, right?
Yeah.
After the end of your like third year. So you have to approach on your own. Uh, build a good CV, I would say. Okay.
What knowledge
I
required for this research internship?
hold on, just 1 minute. Yeah, Rudransh.
Yeah.
Yeah. So who had asked the question? It was you, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So the thing is like there are summer like programs, right?
Yeah.
Applications open for every IIT, every NIT, right? IIC Bangalore, right? All this central government institutes. So apply, start applying. Okay, if you want to go for like research field. Okay, fine. Start
So like,
applying.
so like every summer for all the institutes, the applications are open.
Yes, right.
Yeah.
IITM opens this, but for IITM you can't apply via that because IITM SRF, that is a summer, a fellowship program, is only for, basically external people. So people who are already enrolled in some course at IITM can't
Okay.
utilize this opportunity. At some, so other IIT, so it is like similar to it is highly like competitive. So every IIT gets some 10,000 applications every year, out of which they like shortlist, and they will also call you for an basically interview after like shortlisting based on the CV. They ask everything. Okay, so so it's not only like based on like one thing. Okay, uh, I mean the CGPA. So they check your CV, they check your academic, the summary, how you have done it, like which course, everything they check. They check your especially the research interests, okay, that you have. They may also ask you to, like write a one page of uh, basically statement of like purpose, okay.
Okay.
I mean, whatever you, I mean, yeah. So basically, how you are interested in that like research, like why do you basically want to go in that field? Okay, like what do you want to do? Everything. Okay, fine.
Yeah.
So all this will be required. So after that, so they will basically call you for an interview. So if you're like shortlisted in most of the IITs, and then finally around total of 100 or like 150 people. So there are like seats like 150 intakes in every IIT for the summer, I mean, research and these things, internships. So basically, this is the flow of the selection. Okay. So and
So like, So like
Yeah,
when
yeah.
you fill the application, you can fill the like domain of yourself that you're interested in for it.
Absolutely, absolutely, absolutely. So,
Like for
try
example,
for this.
this term if I do MLF and then I'll do like machine learning courses, so basically I'm interested in research for this linear algebra and
You
machine
can
learning.
you can apply in like research in a CSA domain or basically the a data science domain as well. No issues
Okay.
with that. Okay.
CS in data science domain.
Yeah, yeah. Data science you can take or basically CSE, because also in like CSE it's the same, right? It's
Yeah.
not like that much like different as far as the departments are like concerned. Some IITs have like developed the DS like departments separately like IITM, but yeah, if they don't have, so you can apply for the CSE. Okay, CSE based like projects that they have.
Okay.
Okay.
So like for getting a good internship, they just check your like academics and like good GPA, or like you need something more apart from that also.
I told, right? So they will ask for a lot of things. Okay. Right. Hold on. Just like give me 1 minute. I'll show you an example. Most probably. Hold on. Hello. Hello.
Yeah, so you're audible.
Okay. So say like for example the summer research that happens at like basically IITR. I'm just like basically giving you an example. Okay.
Yeah.
So all they like want is say like firstly, if you are from IIT, your like CGPA should be greater than 7.5. Okay.
Okay.
And if you are from ISER or NIT, it should be greater than basically 8. Okay.
So like IIT means when this IIT online degree is counted.
Yes, yes, what?
So like you were saying, if you're from IIT, it means only IIT offline degree or IIT online
No,
degree
no,
also
all
counted.
any questions. Okay. Any
Okay.
questions. So this is one example at IITR, and then you will have to basically provide your last, the SEMCA mark sheet, and your the most important is basically the resume and your 500 word research like statement. So these are very important. So and you don't basically use like ChatGPT or like fake up things, okay? Because basically what the professors will like want, or how it will be basically like shortlisted, is they will see if that's like genuine or not. Okay, if you ask like ChatGPT that I have this like research like statements, and please like generate me some a 500 word like research like statement that I will put it on my like resume, it will obviously like generate, but it will be so like flowery and anybody can understand, right?
Yeah.
Like, that it has been written. So you should write an original like research like statement. Take 2 to 3 like days of time. Think, search like multiple blogs on Medium. Search this, search that. Work on it and understand what exactly you want to work on. Okay, and then start like writing that research like statement. So almost all IITs internship they ask for this research statement. Okay, so don't like fake up. Take this to be a very important rubric for the selection criteria. Okay. Uh, Same as IIT like Gandhinagar as well. They are like research program. They ask for a lot of things. Okay, and it gets around I think like 20K applications, out of which they like shortlist only 100 or 150 maybe, including UG and PG, and including all the departments. So you imagine that CSE, you are applying for CSE or data science, right? So in every 20, a maximum of 20 will get, in this like department from this application like channel. Okay. And apart from application channels, I actually believe in application channels because you can understand your what to tell, your like in which stage you are in, right?
Yeah.
Because cold mailing and all, I don't believe absolutely. This is my perspective. I don't believe in like cold mailing and all. But yes, some people do say that in case you are interested to basically work with some like professor at IITM or see, if you have to like work at IITM, you have to do like cold mailing, because as I said, their application channel allows only external like students as per their policies. So the score basically good, right? You have opportunity from here as well. If you score the highest in the MLF, right?
Yeah.
So they will basically call you for the on-campus, I mean the TA-ship, right? Hopefully, you will get like selected after the interview as well, right? Hopefully. So
Campus, PA-ship, yeah.
TA-ship on campus, right? So if you join as on-campus TA, you are interacting with the course instructor, you are interacting with the professor, right? So like that is how you will basically build the connection with them, isn't it? I mean, humbly, I'm like saying. So this is what happens, right? So this is how you build connections with the profs and others, right? I mean, happy connections. I mean,
Yes.
what I want to say, I hope you can understand, right? So
Yeah,
you need
yeah.
certain, obviously, certain connections, right? Otherwise, how will you do? So that is only possible if you do like good, right?
Yeah.
Like ads. Otherwise, it's not possible. Unless you do that, you will basically find it hard to, like get the LORs, isn't it?
Yeah,
So,
even for applying research internship in other IITs or CAT institutes.
not all IITs do. Not all IITs do. Yes, some IITs do. Some
But
IITs,
I did already does, right?
some IISERs do. IISER like Bhopal, I think does. They have a good data science.
So I think we should move to the next person.
Okay, so I hope you have like got an idea
Yeah,
like
yeah.
what to do for
Thank you.
all the best.
Yeah, Somika.
Yeah, sorry, I think we have time till 11:30, right?
30 only. Yes.
I think we are taking doubts very seriously that other houses don't do. Sorry for that.
Hello.
Yeah, hi, Somika.
Hi. So I
Sandra
just
was
finished
sitting
my
idle for a long
foundation.
time.
Go ahead, go
I,
ahead.
I just finished my foundation and I'm going into diploma and I have no idea what to choose and what not to. So, what do you think would be
Okay.
the best combination to choose?
Okay. Before knowing the subject, just tell me how good is your maths and stats alongside your Python?
My Python is it's all right. My stats is good. My math is also all right.
Okay. So since you have a strong mathematical background from the foundation level, so you should go with, I mean, at least I think you should go with MLF. And another is, do you want to mix up subjects from the diplomas, or you really have something that, okay, I'm going to finish my DS diploma first or programming diploma first, or you want to mix it up? So
I want to mix
depends
it.
on that as well. You don't want to
I
mix
want.
it?
No, I want to mix it.
Or you want to mix it? So in that case, see, I would suggest you the combination that I took in my first first diploma term. I took MLF, DBMS, and BDM theory, three theory courses in the first diploma
MLF,
term. So you
DBMS,
have
and
MLF, DBMS, and BDM. Now, why BDM? BDM theory is a very light course to take alongside any 2 or 3 courses. And
okay.
MLF is math heavy. DBMS is also doable. So you have 2 DS courses, 1 programming courses. So you kind of mixed it up in the first term.
Okay.
Then from the next term, you can just manage again. Like
Okay.
taking 2 programming, 1 DS or something like
Okay. And projects, how many do I take each term? Like, is it a mandate that I have to take one every term?
It's better to take the project in the subsequent term rather than taking in the same term. If you can, then you can take it. Let's say you take BDM this term and you take BDM project next term. That would be the best way to do.
Okay. Okay, because
If you
BDM
can,
project
let's say, do.
is the BDM project really hard?
As I said a while ago, BDM project is not hard. Getting the data is
Getting
hard.
the
You
okay.
need to convince the person who's the business owner. You have to convince the person that, sir, I want your data, or ma'am, I want your data.
Okay.
Then you have to convince that business owner that I want to interact with you. You have to record a minimum 3 minutes, maximum 5 minutes video, which you gotta submit as your proof of originality alongside one on that company letterhead. The company should give you the NOC with a seal stamp on it, and
Okay.
some pictures, 5 to 6 pictures you have to click of that
Okay.
business premises and all. So these three things you have to get alongside the data. So that's why a
Okay.
while ago I told everyone that if you are taking BDM project in, let's say, Jan 2025, then you start getting the data from now on. Start approaching
Okay.
businesses from now on,
Okay.
because it would getting the data is very hard. Other than that,
No,
analysis
no,
process and all that
Sayan
all
is like
won't be
making you
very hard.
afraid. So no, Sayan is like making you afraid. So don't take, don't talk like negative, as I was said in the last term. Sorry, I mean last meet by Advait. So some people also complete medium projects in a single term. Okay, if you are able
It's not
to,
hard actually.
yes,
It's not hard actually.
it's not hard. You have to just like stick to the rubrics, right? And in order
Yeah,
to
rubrics. Yeah,
just
exactly.
just like stick to
The
the rubrics and,
Okay.
and
Also, Soumik, I just remember that since you're entering diploma in this term, right, September term, so
Yeah.
you need to finish at least one project by the end of the next 3 terms. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So
Okay.
yeah, just keep that in mind, and then you can proceed with whatever combination you're comfortable. Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah. Next we have Palak.
Hi, am I audible?
Yeah, you are. Go on.
Hi everyone. Actually, I am a direct entry diploma student. I joined in May 20 this term only, in May term only. Just consider me a very average person. I'm a working professional and
fine.
not from any programming or any mathematics background at all.
So you are
I'm
like doing in the
from
data science,
chemistry.
yes? Data science, as I
Yeah,
can see in your like roll number.
data science.
Okay.
Yeah, data science. So I am from a basic science student. I'm actually a basic science. I was a basic science student and currently working. So what I did in the first term, maths 2 and stats 2 were compulsory for me, and I took up MLF and TDS. So I did all those four, but
It got heavy.
since I said just take the, yeah, it was way too heavy, and I couldn't manage. But the thing is,
TDS was
somehow I
fine, isn't it?
managed to.
TDS was fine,
TDS
isn't
was
it?
fine.
How
Yeah,
much did you get?
somehow it was fine.
More, more than 80 or something.
Yeah.
Fine.
But maths 2 and stats 2 is, I
MLF, how
barely
did you find?
managed to. See, actually, initially, the initial month, I took four subjects, but then somehow due to certain work commitments that suddenly appeared, I was way too occupied and I couldn't do in the initial months. So
Okay.
just consider that I worked only for 1 month and I barely managed to pass.
In all three?
Yeah.
In all three, you mean, right?
But yeah, I have managed to pass. But the thing is, this term I'm going to completely give it in. But what I want is I want to cover backlog as well. So although I have passed, but I will definitely cover it. I want time to cover it again, right? So what I don't know what next subjects
How much
should I
is your
take
like
in this term.
CGPA? How much is your CGPA coming? Or do you have an estimate or something approx? Or like do you want to like retake those like
I haven't.
subjects? Or like do you
I
want to
don't
like
want to. I'll take maths 2 again.
you will take maths 2 again?
That is one thing. Yeah,
Okay.
I haven't actually what I did was I didn't appear for maths 2 in the end term because my
Okay.
quiz
So
score was way too less.
quiz score?
Quiz quiz score
Achha,
quiz score 1 and 2 quiz was way too less for maths, and I was not confident that I'll in maths 2, so I skipped
got
the
it.
exam for maths 2. But MLF and stats 2
You have
I
given.
covered in the last month
I
and
got it.
I have given and I have passed,
Fine.
but
So,
but just passed.
so I fine, fine. That's fine. So either way, you have to take the end term only, right? For the
For maths.
maths too. So basically, there will be
Maths
an
2,
option in your
yeah.
like dashboard. So basically, you have two options over here. You can either sit for only the end term of the maths 2 in the next term end term date. So in this case, all your graded assignments and all your quiz marks will be like carried, okay, carried onward.
Yeah.
Fine. But if you have also the opportunity to like repeat it like fully, okay, like fresh.
Repeat.
That is
Yeah.
also possible.
Yeah. I want to do it fresh.
Fresh,
Maths too, I
right.
want to do it
So you
afresh
are doing like maths
because
to a full.
the
Fine.
score will
Got
be
it.
very less. Otherwise, the
Got it.
score will be very less.
Got it.
Yeah.
So you take it like fresh. And apart from like maths 2, you have already done like TDS, right? You get started with the BDM theory.
Yeah.
Okay. BDM theory you can take.
Okay.
BDM theory like should be fine for you absolutely. If you just like give some time and just like study for some, it should be fine. Okay. Because again, also another
Yeah.
thing to say is don't take the assignments like lightly in BDM theory. Because after the syllabus was changed and after the curriculum for the BDM theory was changed, now it is very assignment heavy. Okay. The only course in the BS degree program which is assignment heavy. Okay, I
Okay.
think like 70% marks come from assignments. There are 11 tasks. Okay,
Yeah.
and
Say 70%.
out of those 11, the best like 7 will be taken in the September term. Okay, so it accounts for like 70 marks. So do your assignments very well, and everyone has unique basically assignments in the BDM. Okay, so that basically nobody can like copy and do all this sorts of things. Okay, so they like auto like generate it for everyone. So there are unique like data sets. Okay, so you will get 11 unique like data sets for those 11 assignments. Okay, and there will be certain like milestones. Okay, like short like task that you will be asked to find this out. You have to do this. Okay, like Excel like functions and utilize this to get it. Okay, to get the output. And so do the assignments very properly and give time to BDM assignments. Okay, if you give time to BDM assignments, it will be fine. But if you can't give time to BDM assignments, then it's bad. But either way, you have to take the BDM like a theory, okay? Because it is like light to be taken with like two, okay? Fine.
Yeah. But then match two I'll do, but BDM theory only
Second,
these two should I take?
you can basically go with the third subject as well.
Because
Okay, third subject you can go with. Okay.
because the third subject, which should I choose then? Actually, I wasn't
What
sure.
are you left with?
I just
What are you left with?
I am left with ML. I'm left with MLP, MLT, both the projects.
No,
And
don't take MLT
yeah.
this term. You can take like a BA, okay, business analytics. And do you know if like BA has any like prerequisite or any like something?
BA, I guess, got BDM as prerequisite.
Is it prerequisite or like
I
co-requisite?
guess.
If it's
I guess
co-requisite,
it's
it's
either.
fine.
No, it's not. No, it's not prerequisite. It's co-requisite.
Okay,
Co-requisite.
okay, then
It's
you can do
co-requisite.
like BA with this. Okay, it should be fine. So take
But then
basically
both the projects will be in the third term, and I have to do within 3 terms at least
no
one
no
project.
no. That is only for the BS degree like students, right? Who are like moving from diploma to no. So like that's like not for the DID like students. Okay.
Okay. For not for direct entry students.
No. Isn't it? Just mail to. Acha, it's a prerequisite. Hold on.
Yeah, it's a prerequisite. I just checked.
You can't
It's a
take.
prerequisite.
You can't take BA then. I thought it was a co-requisite. Fine. So, how will I like suggest you to do MLT?
Even I am also.
But yeah,
I
I
was
can't
very
tell you
confused.
because
I
you
don't
are
know what should do.
because so no, you take like two only. Okay, because I can't suggest you to take basically MLT. Fine, because
Yeah.
you can't take basically BA because you haven't completed the BDM. Okay. Acha, basically what you can do apart from this two theories, which is basically maths 2 and a BDM theory, start basically working on the project. Okay. A BDM project. Fine.
Okay.
Start working on it. So take BDM project, BDM theory, maths 2 theory. Fine.
Okay, and everything that we need for BDM project.
BDM project, you have listen to
It
the
is difficult. I think BDM project is difficult because the first step is very difficult to.
follow the rubrics. Not only the first step, each and every step is difficult. Okay.
Okay. I think first is the most from whatever I have heard throughout this meet that you have to get the data. That is, if you have got the data, then at least you can proceed.
Just
But
pray that all
Yeah,
of your,
from company you have to collect data.
just pray that all of your things get well. Okay, I mean all the submissions, either be it the a proposal or the midterm or the final term. If you are approved with all three, you are very good. Like good to go. I mean, at least if you are approved with the proposal and the midterm, you think that I think it should be fine. Okay. But if you see that they are like rejecting the proposal, so check it very well instead of like submitting the second one. Okay, see basically what are the mistakes, like what is the thing like going on. Okay, otherwise it will keep on like getting like rejected, and you have to like move it to the next one. Fine. That's
Yeah. Okay. Thank you so much.
and also like follow the rubrics very like strictly. First is the rubrics
Okay.
that they like mentioned.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Thank you for your time. Thank you so much.
Yeah, Rajesh.
Again, we are like running short of time as usual, so please make it a bit fast and submit
Okay.
repeat well. Yes, please.
Sir, recently I completed my foundation. As I'm working, I was comfortable only doing two courses in a term. And I'm planning to complete my diploma in 6 terms. So I have no idea in choosing what courses I have to choose. And I'm above average in maths, stats, and Python. So what courses I can prefer in diploma beginning?
So is this would be your first diploma term in September, or
Yes,
you're
sir.
done with? Okay, okay. So is there any? Do you have any preferences that you want to finish any of the diploma first?
Actually, I have no idea what I have to do in diploma.
Okay, okay, okay. So
Okay.
see, there are 6 plus 6 theory subjects, 6 in DS, 6 in diploma, and two
Okay.
projects on each side. Okay, two for DS and two for sorry, not diploma, two for DS and two for programming. So it
Okay.
makes 16 subjects all total alongside projects. So
Okay.
now, if you have any preference, then only you can go with either of the diploma first. If you don't have such preferences, then you can mix, which most of us have done already.
Okay. Okay.
So if you ask me that your maths and stats, you said like it's good, then you can take again the my combination. I would suggest if someone is planning to mix and they have this math heavy thing they want this to go on, then you can take MLF. Then
Okay.
DBMS is comparatively easier, and BDM
Okay.
theory. First would be three,
Okay.
and if you don't want this, then you can go with MLF. And let's say you want to do PDSA, so you can take that.
Okay. 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 Okay.
So
And
if you take the first one, MLF, DBMS, and BDM, then
okay.
in the next term you can take MLT. So it would be a continuation, and
Okay.
you can take the BDM project in the next term alongside any other courses. Let's say you take TDS, or maybe you took MAD one. That would be
Okay.
perfectly fine for you.
Theory to for a project like that.
First you do the theory, then you do the project. You can
Oh,
do the theory and project in the same term,
okay.
but if but take it if and only if you can do it. Otherwise, I have always suggested everyone you take the theory and then you do the project. It's more convenient for the student. So
Okay.
yeah.
Okay. Sir, and common doubt, sir. If I exceed my duration, for example, if I complete my graduation in 5 years, does it have any impact
Mhm.
in my graduation?
uh I don't think there would be like any impact like that, because if you see the graduation overall, I mean around the world, you can finish your grad. Let's say it's a 4 year course in general, I'm saying, so you can
Okay.
finish it in 3 years in US.
Okay.
Even in European countries you can finish it earlier, or you can do it like, let's say, the extension of 1 year. So I
Okay.
would suggest do not extend it if it's possible, because
Okay.
in the interview they might ask you, why did you take the 1 year extension? They might ask
Mm,
you.
okay.
I
Okay.
said it's not like they would ask you. So why giving someone chance to ask you that kind of question, right? So it's better not to take the extension. But if you want, then it's totally fine. But the extension should be, like lesser than like 1 year. I mean, if it's at most 1 year, that would be like
Okay.
more statistically correct. At most 1 year, the extension should
Okay.
be not more than, like, let's say you're finishing your grad in 7 years. So
Okay. Okay.
that's
Okay.
a disaster if you ask me. So yeah.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Harshal, yes.
Okay, so I had another doubt.
Yes.
About the BD project, I heard it's hard. So I was thinking
It's
of
not
doing.
hard. See, to be honest, it's not hard, but I mean, there are like certain things that you need to like follow, and it will be hard for someone
Yeah,
who
okay. I heard the previous responses, so I know.
yeah.
The thing is, I was thinking of taking Mat 2 project, MLT, and BA with BDM project.
Hmm?
So, do you think I should
That too?
remove BA or should I keep it? Mat 2 project, MLT, and BA with BDM project.
That is fine.
That is fine, right?
That is fine.
Okay, okay.
Start
So,
start
my
collecting
second
the
doubt
data beforehand. Okay, start collecting the data beforehand. Fine.
all right. Yeah, this is the second doubt is when should you start to think about giving date? Like sorry, gate exam.
What year you are in?
In DS.
You are in?
DS, data science.
No, no, data science. I get it. I mean, which year is it for you?
Okay, in diploma, I'm in second term.
No, then you should give. Like get it the next year. Okay.
Okay, so when I get into BS, then sorry, BSc, then I should think
See,
about giving date,
see,
right?
if you enter the see, they although basically during the registration and like they don't check actually like which year you are in. That is actually checked during the admission, right? When you avail the
Hmm.
admission via the gate, so you can like sit anytime. So although like they don't check, but if you enter the BSc level by like January
Okay.
25,
Hmm.
when this gate like 25 like will be held, right, in like February, right? So then you can give
Okay.
gate. As I mean, like technically, okay, technically like speaking,
All right.
if you enter the BSc in by a January term, so you can like sit for like this year's gate, okay, 25, fine.
Got it. Got it.
Or else you will be either way like sitting for gate like 26, right? Obviously.
Yeah, because I have to be at least equipped with like enough skills to like understand it,
You
the gate syllabus.
I didn't get you. You have to be equipped with.
I mean, I have to at least complete the diploma like in both subjects, right? To be enough knowledgeable about the gate exam syllabus, right?
Hmm. Hold on. Yes, yes, obviously.
Yeah, so that's what I'm saying. So after you get to BSc, then you can think about giving gate, right?
No, you can. You don't have to think about. If you are in the BSc level, you can give gate, right? What is the
Yeah,
issue?
all right.
Many people who are entering the BSc in January are like giving the gate. So I've like filled the application forms, right? I can't hear you.
I thought people gave gate in their fourth year.
No, no, absolutely not. So as per as the uh, eligibility, and the criteria is like concerned, if you are doing a 4-year BS or a BTech course, right,
Mhm.
you can give it starting from your third year itself. Okay, fine.
All right, all right. That's all. Thanks.
Yeah. Okay, next.
Yeah, Manjunath, go on.
Hello, good afternoon.
Yes, good afternoon.
Good
Like,
morning.
good morning.
Yeah, good
I
morning.
completed my foundation in the May term.
Hmm.
Like, I had basic CGPA like
That's fine.
6.527.
Okay.
So, what can I take in my diploma?
Again, it like depends. See, a CGPA I can understand because which were the subjects, like where you had your strength. I mean, I hope you understand. I mean, which were the
Yeah,
subjects you had like performed well. I mean, where your like GP was high.
Python and CT.
Python and C++. So take some like programming courses, and you can like brush up the concepts of a stats to like meanwhile, right, before taking MLF, I think, isn't it? Do you
Okay.
want to brush up the concepts? I hope you
Yeah,
think
okay.
that I hope that you think that you are a bit like weak, right, in stats two. You haven't
Yeah,
done that
yeah.
well, right? Okay, so you may like brush up the concepts, and like meanwhile take some courses like you can take PDSA. Okay, you
Okay.
can take PDSA. You can take PDSA, MAD one. Okay,
Right.
do
Like,
some
DBMS is
DBMS.
like,
You can do DBMS. You can do. It's fine. It should not be a problem. If you do PDSA, MAD one and the DBMS in the first term, there should not be any problem as far as I think. Okay.
Like BDM project, like there is an official business or like any business around us.
BDM project, like when do you want to do? BDM is not like coming here, right? You're not done with the BDM theory, right? How can?
Yeah.
Do you want to do BDM in the first term? Is it?
If that okay, like everyone is saying like we need to get business data from previous terms. So I'm asking.
No, see, you can even do, but the thing is that what happens is the data collection. If you are basically as long as the primary data collection is like concerned on that like parallel, so the data process of data like collection becomes a bit like tedious. Okay, because most of because you have to like like roam around if you don't know anybody, and people get very in that. So what happens is like uh, like most of the business they don't so they are not like willing to like share the data. Okay, so until Harsh, please like try accessing the form from your IITMS mail. So basically what happens here is that like that that a gap comes in, because unless and until you can't find a, and also you have to find a proper like a business, right? Because see, you can't just say, okay, I got a business from like shop A, so I will basically work. So when you start it, I would tell you you have a clear a goal, you have a clear like vision, what you want to do in the project, and how you basically want to help them. Because unless you have that clarity ki what you are going to show in the end term from the proposal stage itself, you will face a lot of issues, trust me. So you should have a lot of like clarity ki how you basically want to help that business, and like what are the things you are like going to do. So if you see that a, a shop owner or that like business owner is not that like friendly, is not like willing to share your data, that is a negative. Okay, from the starting only. That is not a green a check, absolutely. So you have to find some proper like business where you should be able to, you should be able to like work on it well. Otherwise, like there is no point, because if like that is the case, so basically they will accept your like proposal, and then starting from the midterm, they will keep on like rejecting it unless and until you are giving like fruitful like results according to the stages. Okay, okay. I hope you
Yeah.
got
Okay.
it.
Yeah, Manjunath, also focus on taking the BDM theory first. You haven't even taken the theory. Okay, so don't worry about the project. Just
Ah,
take the theory first.
don't like worry about the projects abhi. Okay.
Yeah, Rakshana, go on.
Good morning, ma'am. So I've completed my foundation right now, and I'm about to join the diploma. So I wanted to complete the diploma within 4 terms. Will it be too heavy, or is it okay to take the courses and complete it within 4 terms?
Which diploma? A single diploma or both of them in 4 terms?
Bit heavy, bit heavy.
Yeah, exactly. Four
Four
terms is
courses every term.
My God. And that to the projects as well with them, right? For
Yeah,
projects.
exactly.
You see, only like some people could like do it till this time. I know some people. How was your foundation like academic summary in the foundation?
Except for stats, two others were all okay, sir. It was all right.
Don't take like 4 in each term. Okay, I would suggest not to. Okay.
So how?
You can take it to 5. You can take it to 5 terms. Right?
5. Okay, what are the courses that I should take for the first term? What do you recommend or
What have you
suggest?
planned? First, tell me what have you planned?
DBMS and MLF MAD one I've planned.
That's fine. Do this like 3 first, and you can check, right, how you are like performing, and then you can try with the 4 in the next term. Either way, if even if you complete in like 5 terms, it's always a plus. Okay, don't worry about it.
Okay, sir. And most of them tell me that first we'll have to complete the theory and then project, or is it okay to do both the theory and project
It is okay.
simultaneously?
It is okay to do the both the projects, both the theory and projects like simultaneously if you are able to do it. Okay. Either way, the projects have a so basically the fee for the project is like valid for the 2 terms. Okay, so the term you take the project and the immediate next term. Okay, So even if you are not able to complete the project in the term you complete the theory, you can automatically, it will be added in the next term, okay? You have to like register though. Yeah.
So if I complete in 4 terms now, I'll be able to complete both the diplomas in 1 year or 2 year. And if I go for 5 terms, what will be the total duration for me to complete both the diplomas?
Each like trimester consists of 4 months, right? So if you complete it in like 4 terms, so it's how many months? Greater than a year, right?
Yes.
See, 1 year consists of 3 terms. Okay, so if you're doing both the diplomas in 5 terms, then you can just calculate it's 1.5 years. Okay,
that's fine. Absolutely, there should be no problem. Okay,
it will not reflect in my graduation at that time, the certifications, not if I can't take more than 4 years.
No, don't worry. You don't.
No, this is a self-paced degree. Okay, you can take it at your own pace. It doesn't necessarily have to be according to the institution.
And
there are some restrictions, but
and
otherwise,
even if you complete in like 5 terms, still you can complete your like BS in like 4 years only. Okay, still you can complete even if you finish your diploma in like 5 terms. Okay, that's
okay.
Fine. You can like pace up like later. Fine, that's fine.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yes, Saurabh.
Hi, I am actually direct entry to Diploma DS course, and I am working.
Just 1 minute. Aman,
yes.
Aman Srivastava, a comparison between PDS and Java out of 5. I can't like mark it out of like 5, but Java is easier. Okay. Yeah. Whoever was.
Yes, I was telling that I'm a direct entry to DS course, and in the midterm, and I've taken 3 subjects in the midterm: MLF, Stats 2, and Max 2. So later on, I find out that it is too heavy, and so I didn't give any exam of MLF, and I concentrated on Max 2 and Stats 2, and I've got decent grades in both the subjects. I'm also like to tell you that I'm a mid-level, working at a mid-level in my company. So what do you suggest for the next term? What should the subjects I can take, and so that it would not be so heavy? I can manage. What subjects you suggest?
So you're done with Maths 2 and Stats 2, right?
Yes, I've done with Maths 2 and Stats 2.
And the MLF end term you didn't give. That means you need to clear MLF this term. So that
no is, MLF. What happened in MLF? What happened that in the initial period? Only I understood that it will not be possible for me to cover all the 3 subjects. So I have not given anything in MLF. Not quiz 1, quiz 2, not the GAs, and not neither the exam.
Okay, so you skipped completely that. Okay.
You skipped.
So
I can skip completely.
See, since you're done with Maths 2 and Stats 2, I would suggest opt for MLF this term. Alongside MLF, you can take TDS. Since you're a working professional, so TDS would be an amazing choice for you. It's a lightweight subject as compared to other. I mean, I would have asked you to take MLF and MLT both together, but you would be completely occupied. So knowing that you're a working professional, it's better that you finish the MLF this term alongside TDS.
Okay, next.
Yeah, Vedic.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
I just completed my foundation, and now I am confused what to take in diploma.
Same thing goes for you. How was your foundation?
My Python was good, maths was not that good, and stats were all right.
How much not that good?
Like I have to work on it.
What range? What range did you get that total score in?
I get C grade.
That's fine. So you can take some programming as well as some data science courses. Okay, that should not be a problem for you. Absolutely.
Which course, sir?
You can get started with like MAD 1. Okay.
Okay.
MAD 1, DBMS. Okay, from from the programming side, and you take MLF from the data science. Okay.
And how much term should I go with? 4 or 5?
You can go with 5 or like 6 terms. Okay.
Okay.
That like should not be an issue.
Okay.
6 terms is even fine. Should not be an issue at all. Still, you can complete your a degree in like 4 years. Okay.
Okay. And projects?
This time you can register for the Aptitude 1 project. Get like this term only you can get started with your Aptitude 1 project. You have 2 terms, right? So if you get like started, you can complete it by the next term. Fine.
Okay, sir.
Fine.
Yeah, Pratik, go on.
Yeah, actually, I'm planning to take a BDM, MLP theory and MAT2 project.
BDM?
BDM theory, MLP theory and MAT2 project.
Okay.
I'm actually doing another degree as well. So
that's fine.
Is this combination? Okay.
This combination is fine.
It's not too heavy.
No, it's fine. It's fine.
Because I was thinking of putting either the BDM or the MLP in the next term. I thought maybe MLP.
No, this is fine. This is fine.
Nothing. Okay.
Karthik.
Okay, thank you.
Karthik.
Yeah, Sayan, you have answered my question. Just a follow-up. So once, if I choose DBMS, MAD1 and MLF, term 2 is planning MAD1 project, PDM, PDSA.
Term 2 का term 2 में देखा जाएगा, ठीक है? अभी नहीं. This is
no, because the thing is, the maximum amount of time I can spend is the next May term. So I was planning on taking those.
Quickly tell.
No, sure. Is there any theory courses that I can include with this DBMS, MAD1, MLF? One more theory.
अरे बाप रे. Yes, you can. DBMS, MAD1, and MLF. Right.
One more easy one or something.
TDS, like, do you know? I mean, do you know, like basic you can take BDM, you are like taking, is it?
No, I'm not taking BDM. This stuff.
BDM like theory you can take. Okay.
Okay.
BDM, fine. That should be fine. Okay.
Yeah, just an announcement for everyone. We're about to end. So those of you who haven't filled the feedback form, please do it ASAP. And this is the last meeting that we're going to have for the course.
Yeah, we have done enough. I think total we gave like 5 years. I think more than 5 years.
Excuse me, actually I got disconnected. I'm sorry. I got just, I was asking to what should, I've told that I've done DS, I've taken DS in this midterm, I've completed Max 2 Stats 2. So what should be the course that I should
take? Student, right? You are
yes, direct.
Yeah.
Yes.
So see, as I was saying, you have to finish the MLF, which you have started in the past term. Since you didn't do it, so you do the MLF. Alongside the MLF, you can do TDS, which is Tools in Data Science.
Okay.
TDS is a comparatively easier subject alongside MLF, and as compared to MLT, it's easy TDS. So you can take MLF and TDS, 2 subjects. If you want another one, then you can include BDM theory. But since you're doing since you're a working professional, I would suggest you can take 2. Just take 2, put efforts on the 2 subjects, get good grades and all that. So that would be perfectly fine.
Okay. And one more question is that in the BDM, can I take my company's data itself for the BDM project? Later on?
Absolutely, you can take. It's totally fine.
It's fine, huh? Okay.
Yeah, it is fine.
And is it necessary to complete one project in the 3 terms for the direct entry DS students?
Mail the support regarding this one. So as far as we know, it's not necessary.
Okay. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Fine. So we are about to end. Just if you have any doubts till now, otherwise we'll wind up. That's all.
Yeah, I don't think there's
like still present.
Okay, never mind. Okay, Gautam, I think we can stop the recording. Okay.
Is Gautam there?
Yeah, he's there.
Harit, you were there from the beginning of the meet, but you did not ask any like doubts. But you had texted, I think. Do you have any doubts?
Yeah, hello. Hi.
Yes, you have any doubts?
Actually, yeah, yeah. Actually, I wanna ask something.
Raise your hand,
Like,
right? Why are you sitting? Yeah,
no,
yes.
no. Yeah. Actually, the thing is, I have joined the diploma course in May term,
Huh.
and I have cleared the stat two part, but I didn't clear the maths two. So I have got my answer. Like, what should I do?
Okay, I've got your answer. Fine, great.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, sir. Fine.
Okay, thank you everyone. Please take a minute to fill the feedback form. That's all.
Gautam, have you
Gautam?
stopped recording?
I told him also. One second.
Those who are done, please start like leaving the meet. Okay. Please take an initiative on your own and start leaving the meet.
So we can end the meet, okay?
No, no, hold
He'll
on.
end.
Hold on. Is he done with stopping the recording?
No, he said he'll stop it later. Like just end the meeting. It will get stopped like on its own.
Okay, fine. Sayan, you want to tell anything? Is it there or not? Okay, আছে না নেই কি ব্যাপার?
না না আরে বললো ওকে
Hello,
Yeah,
hello.
sir, continue. Yeah, sir, continue.
Actually, one more question I have.
Huh?
So I'm quite confused about the minimum criteria, like how many courses should be done in an year. Hello.
yeah, go ahead.
Like I have 8 subjects in total, including projects courses too. So, like, can you once again clarify me?
Okay,
I'm a
so you're a
diploma.
direct diploma entry, right?
Yeah,
in
direct
data
diploma
science.
entry.
Okay, how many subjects are you done with, and which are those?
Actually, I have started in the May, so I have just completed a maths 2 and stats 2, out of which I didn't clear the stats 2 part.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you did.
I'm a
So you
working
cleared maths
professional.
today.
Yeah, I cleared maths.
Okay, you're a working professional. Okay, so stats 2 would be enough this term. Alongside stats 2, you can take one more light course to just get the flavor of the DS. In that case, you can take either BDM theory, either or. I'm saying either BDM theory you can take, or you can take TDS, tools in data science. These two would be less math heavy. I mean, they have no maths in it mostly.
Okay.
So either one you can take alongside stats 2. So it would be a easy term for you, since you're a working professional. So you have to put efforts there as well, right? So you can take 2 subjects, stats 2 and BDM or TDS, any one of those alongside stats 2.
Okay. So basically, what I was told in the beginning, that in one full year, I have to complete 3 theory courses and 1 project.
Okay. As Som said, that is true for the regular entry students who are the BS students, not for direct diploma entry students. But again, before registration, as Som said a while ago, just mail the support team, because we might not have the updated information which they are actually updating for the for each term.
Okay.
As per our knowledge, it's whatever you said, like 3 theory courses alongside 1 project in first 3 terms. That is true for BS students. Not normal, the regular entry students, but not for DS students. Direct diploma entry students. But again, just to be on the safer side, you can just drop a mail to support to get their reply.
Can I know what is the
would be
mail
more robust.
support mail ID? Can I know? Do you feel
Support. Som, what's the support mail ID? Is it support@ds.I
No, it's
sorry
like
dot
different for
IT.com?
them. No. So it's like different for them. A DID support.
Okay. So just put that in the chat, please.
This one.
Okay.
You have not mailed the support till this time. You have joined.
no.
Okay.
Actually, I have a very hectic schedule. My Saturday is also not off, and I got only Sunday for that. No, I have basic foundations in maths. I mean, vectors and algebra is there, so I passed that subject. But priority is
Okay. This is your mail.
got it.
Contact.
Okay, thank
And
you.
we also check it over here. Okay, diploma.iitm. They are having a different site. Diploma.iitm. Okay. Check it here.
Okay. I will check that. Yeah, fine. Thank you. Thanks.
Thank you. Gautam, we can end now.